What's going on in the dirt floor garage today? Well, you can see it's fall. Leaves are changing all around, making a big mess on my ground. The grandkids were over and took the beater out and beat the daylights out of it for hours and hours, got it all mudded up. They had a blast. So what's been going on with the kart project? As you can see, I am in the process of forming the windshield right now. We're attaching the front bumper, the front shield, I guess, rock shield, protects the brakes and everything that are behind it, cylinders. And I got the deck for that on. And as you can see, the wing is on. I'm in the process of building the supports for my lights, which I should finish up today. I'm also hoping to get a piece of metal for that hole right there done today so I can finish up the windshield, and therefore that would finish up the whole front side. Tough to get good angles in here, but and I got some other goodies to show. Mostly, the one I'm most impressed with is that right there. Now, y'all might have heard me fire this up before, and basically it just had a can on it, no baffle, no nothing, and it now has a curly Adelkavik. I'm not sure I'm saying that right, but all I can say is it looks nice and it sounds even better. Definitely sweet. I was a little overkill on my rear suspension, the coilovers, dual coilovers. I don't think I need that. Not for a road vehicle. Where am I? Here, let's take a listen to what that new pipe sounds like. Listen to that thing. That's nice. It's below freezing this morning, so this is the first time I've started it up below freezing. Fired right up, nice. Very nice. You can see we got some nice clearance between the windshield and your hands. And let's see, done a little bit of work back in the brake area. Got my calipers mounted up. They'll be plugged into hydraulic fluid pressure today, maybe. And that's my welder. Now that I'm almost done with this project and have project number 2 already in the works, I'm accumulating stuff for it right now. I will say that project number 2 is going to be a little bit more radical. I'm going to go with an aluminum chassis, and that's why I bought a new welder. Spent big money on a new welder, so I can weld up aluminum, and I'm going to build a full-fledged, I'm not even going to say anything more about it. All I'm saying is aluminum. Oh yeah, I'll add stainless steel into that too. So aluminum and stainless steel and a power to weight ratio that is insane. So listen to that thing just purring away, man. So yeah, the front headlights, you can see I'm working on the mounting system for it right now. They're going to be pretty cool. They'll be on there today. And yeah, we're coming right along, man. CrossKart 1, looking good. It's just a matter of time. I set a deadline of October 31st, Halloween, to be on the road, and I might make it. Maybe. I'm pushing hard to get her done. I guess most of the catch is going to be whatever bureaucracy I have to go through as far as the town, but from what I understand, that's not going to be too complicated. Then there'll be the inspection process, but when I'm done, this thing will pass inspection anywhere. Thanks for watching, and hey, you know, if you have any questions or anything, this isn't an instructional video. There's plenty of videos to tell you how to do that, and quite frankly, I don't know enough to be telling people how to do something. I'm learning. So this is the results of my learning. Sometimes it's 2 steps forward and 3 steps back, you know, but it's coming out good. It's coming out nice. I'm really liking the overall concept. But anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe and you might see a Walking Dead driving this on Halloween night.